Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will show you how to resolve issues when PayPal is unable to transfer your money. This common problem can often be fixed with a few simple adjustments, and we are here to walk you through the entire process to get your funds moving quickly. Begin by navigating to the official PayPal website. Once the homepage loads, find and click the Login button to reach the sign-in page. Carefully enter your registered email address and password into the required fields. It is vital that these details are accurate to ensure you can access your account without trouble. After typing your credentials, click the Login button to continue. Once you have successfully signed in, the next step is to confirm that the bank and card details linked to your profile are both correct and current. It is easy to forget that financial details change, but an old account or an incorrect number is often why transfers fail. To verify this, go to the Pay and Get Paid section on your account dashboard. Within this menu, select the Banks and Cards option to review your linked accounts. If you have recently changed banks or updated your card, you might need to relink that account to PayPal. This ensures all your data is synchronized and functional. Furthermore, check to see if any of your registered cards have expired. If they have, simply provide the new card information to prevent any further interruptions during the transfer process. You may also encounter a security check where PayPal asks you to verify your identity. This usually happens if there is unusual activity, so completing this verification is essential for account safety. Also, make sure the email address tied to your PayPal is fully confirmed to ensure smooth transactions. If you have tried all these steps and still cannot transfer money, reach out to PayPal support for further help. They can provide specific solutions for more complex issues. Following these steps should help you resolve the problem effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial improves your PayPal experience.